Hi, thanks for watching the video. I wanted to explain why I was interested in the Explorer program. And this reflects about how I drove my career in the past close to a couple of decades. I started my career as a mechanical engineer in Bosch in Bangalore, India, as a computer numeric controlled machines planning engineer. And from there, I pushed myself to study the next unknown territory of applying for the GRE exams to go to United States for my master's degree, and it was accepted and sponsored by Boeing those days. So it was a complete different thing what I was doing today. And that, but for some reasons I could not go to United States, and I decided to stay back in India and switch over to the dot-com bust those days in year 2000, and started my own company with a few colleagues, few friends, picking up projects from Europe and United States. So that after we established the company, we drove the revenue and the people to approximately 70-80 people. But that did not also help me to satisfy the next what I wanted to do. And I applied for United Nations Project Services, which led me to Geneva 17, 18 years back. Worked for UNHCR, High Commissioner for Refugees, for a few years, helping the refugee operations through their intranet collaborations and communications and applications projects. But that led me to my next, searching for my next challenge in the World Economic Forum in Davos, where they wanted to connect all the leaders through an online platform. So it was always an opportunity for connecting the digital as well as what's the business, core business of the organization. So I had the opportunity to go to Davos, attend Davos, understand the business model of communities, their core business model, and connect it back to an online platform while working with technology vendors like Facebook, Microsoft, British Telecom, Adobe, etc. After the adventure of the World Economic Forum, I entered the perfumes business from there, working in the projects office in Givaudan, and delivering some key projects which is linked to their business. So the quest for learning more or taking the adventure to the next step started with a mechanical company, linked it with a refugee company, then a perfume company, and now with the World Economic Forum, a company which organizes the world's #1 event, and now for the past 7 years, closing to 6.5 years in Richmond. And also in Richmond, for the past 2 years, we did the evolution on the collaborations and communities pillar, which I had no clue about, coming from a mechanical industry and to World Economic Forum. There's Office 365 and Yammer, etc. We just learnt on the spot and we implemented it. Nobody knew it over here. We all learnt on the job, applying our basic skills or basic educational skills. And that's what I'm looking for to see in an adventure of 6 months, what Richmond is offering. I think it's very tremendous, and I hope to have the discussions, forthcoming discussions about how I can contribute to the organization as well as learn from the organizations. Thank you very much for listening to me, and see you soon. Bye.